Did you know that simple actions have the power to transform your cardiovascular health? If you're struggling to keep your cholesterol levels under control, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 7 easy steps to reduce your cholesterol and improve your heart health without changing your routine. The 5th step is one of the most important and challenging on this list, and I'll give you a simple solution to implement and get the best results. First step, increase your fiber intake. Adding healthy fats to your diet, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a true hero for your heart. With each bite of a fresh, delicious salad packed with juicy avocado, you're taking care of your heart health. These fats help increase good cholesterol levels and reduce bad cholesterol, effectively combating the risks of heart disease. To incorporate these benefits into your routine practically and deliciously, start by making small changes to your meals. Add nuts to your snacks or yogurt and cereals, taking advantage of their anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties. Use extra virgin olive oil as a base for your salad dressings. It's rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, perfect for protecting your arteries. Include avocado, whether in smoothies, salads, or on toast, for an extra dose of fiber and healthy fat that keeps your heart running smoothly. These small changes transform your diet into a powerful tool for improving your cardiovascular health in a tasty and natural way. Second step, include healthy fats in your diet. Imagine enjoying a delicious avocado salad with nuts and a drizzle of olive oil while doing something incredibly beneficial for your heart. The healthy fats found in these foods are not just a delight for your taste buds, they are essential for your cardiovascular well-being. With each bite, you're not only satisfying your appetite, but also taking a proactive step against heart disease. Start by using extra virgin olive oil in your salads. Rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, olive oil not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also protects your arteries. Add nuts to your diet, whether in salads, as a healthy snack, or even crushed into smoothies for an extra boost of energy and cardiovascular health. And don't forget to include avocado in your meals, whether on toast, tacos, or in smoothies. It adds a creamy touch and a load of essential nutrients that directly benefit your cholesterol. These simple additions not only make your meals more interesting and delicious, but also turn your diet into a powerful ally in the fight for heart health. This way, you can enjoy every meal knowing you're making choices that promote a longer, healthier life. Third step, exercise regularly. The key to feeling lighter, more energetic, and vital lies in incorporating some daily movements. Regular physical activity not only energizes your day, but also has a profound impact on your cardiovascular health. By integrating exercises such as walking, running, or swimming into your routine, you turn your body into a machine that energizes you and brings more vitality. Imagine the amazing benefit of feeling healthier and more revitalized just by dedicating a few minutes of your day to physical activity. You don't need to become an elite athlete. Just starting with small steps makes a big difference. A 30-minute walk after dinner, a quick run, or a swimming session can be great ideas too. If your goal is to make this a habit, try scheduling at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days of the week. Over time, these activities will become part of your day, improving your mood and overall health. You might think these simple habits may not fit into your daily routine, but once you start enjoying the benefits, you'll miss it if you skip a day of exercise. By staying active, you're not only working to improve your cholesterol levels, but also boosting your energy, improving your mood, and strengthening your heart. The key is to start small and be consistent, and soon you'll be reaping the benefits of a more active and healthy life. If you already exercise daily, leave a like and share in the comments what activity you do. Fourth step, consume foods rich in antioxidants. Bright red strawberries, blue blueberries, vibrant green broccoli, and fresh kale leaves. Beyond being a feast for the eyes, these foods are champions at protecting your heart. Rich in antioxidants, they combat bad cholesterol and strengthen your cardiovascular health. It's not just a meal, it's a dose of life and energy for your body. Imagine the satisfaction of nourishing yourself with foods that are as good for your palate as they are for your heart. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with strawberries and blueberries, a breakfast that lowers cholesterol and starts your day with a burst of antioxidants. At lunch or dinner, incorporate steamed broccoli or a hearty kale salad, maybe seasoned with a bit of olive oil and garlic for added flavor and health benefits. These simple changes can become the foundation of a lifestyle that not only keeps your cholesterol in check, but also enriches your diet with variety and flavor. Besides helping regulate cholesterol, these foods enhance the overall quality of your diet, bringing more nutrients and pleasure to eating well. By consciously choosing these antioxidant-rich foods, you take a significant step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Before we move on to the fifth and most challenging step on this list, I need to pause for a few seconds to let you know that there are great methods to speed up your results in lowering your cholesterol. And the best method can be accessed by clicking the link I left in the first pinned comment. The link will take you to exclusive and advanced content that I'm sure will make a huge difference in your health. Now let's move on to the fifth step. Fifth step, reduce sugar intake. There are many dietary habits that can clog our arteries, and one of the worst is consuming sugar. Reducing your sugar intake can not only lower your cholesterol and triglyceride levels, but also transform how you feel every day. Imagine cutting excess sugar and seeing a noticeable improvement in your cardiovascular health, plus gaining an incredible amount of energy to tackle your daily tasks. Think about the energy you could regain and the well-being you could feel by reducing or even cutting out sugar. Reducing sugar in your diet is simpler than it seems. Start by substituting sugary drinks with healthier options like plain water, naturally flavored water, or a variety of unsweetened teas. This simple swap can significantly decrease the amount of sugar you consume daily. Additionally, pay attention to processed food labels and choose those without added sugars. Try preparing your own snacks and meals at home using fresh, natural ingredients. By doing this, you not only reduce your sugar intake, but also gain full control over what goes into your body, promoting improved cardiovascular health and a healthier lifestyle. These changes, though small, can have a profound impact on your overall health and quality of life. By adopting these practical strategies, you not only improve your cholesterol levels, but also contribute to long-term sustainable well-being. Sixth step, drink herbal tea. Few beverages have the power to clear plaque from your arteries with such efficiency as herbal teas. Besides being powerful in maintaining vascular health, teas are incredibly comforting. Each sip offers a step towards a healthier heart, combining pleasure and well-being in a simple cup. Allow yourself this relaxing break in your day and feel the direct benefits on your health. Drinking green tea or hibiscus tea in your daily routine is a delightfully simple way to contribute to heart health. Start by adding a cup of these teas to your day, perhaps at breakfast or after dinner. These teas are known for their antioxidant properties that help reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. For an even more beneficial experience, avoid sweetening your teas with sugar. Opt for a slice of lemon or a touch of honey if needed. Choosing herbal teas like green tea and hibiscus tea is an easy and enjoyable way to care for your heart while enjoying moments of tranquility and flavor. Seventh step, maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just about appearance. It's about significantly improving your health and avoiding severe complications. Effectively managing your cholesterol starts with paying attention to excess weight. Just doing this helps prevent the increase of bad cholesterol in your body. As for appearance, it's something that can't be ignored. Managing excess weight will give you a new look that enhances your relationships and greatly boost your self-esteem. To maintain a healthy weight and support healthy cholesterol levels, the key is a combination of a balanced diet with regular exercise. Start by focusing on nutritious foods that are low in saturated fats and high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods not only help control appetite, but also contribute to lowering cholesterol. Additionally, incorporate physical activities you enjoy into your daily routine, as mentioned in Step 3. This combination will help you lose weight, increase your self-esteem, and live many years in good health. Adopting changes in our lives is always a challenge, as it often involves changing beliefs we have, and fighting against our beliefs is always more laborious. But believe me, you only need one step at a time. Each small step towards a healthy weight is a big step towards reducing the risk of heart disease and improving your quality of life. Start today and see how a healthier lifestyle can be rewarding and revitalizing. Just by watching this video, I know you're looking for a major change in your health, and that's wonderful. To further expand your knowledge and provide you with excellent information on the best foods to reduce your cholesterol, I've made these 2 videos that are now appearing on your screen. One will take you to the 7 foods that lower cholesterol, and the other to the 14 most powerful teas to lower cholesterol. Click on one of the videos and continue on the channel learning more. Until then, take care of yourself and have epic health.